In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a random name picker in Google Sheets on desktop. This is a quick, reliable way to pick a winner for a giveaway, choose a student to present, or just randomize a shoutout. You only need a single formula, and we'll keep everything simple and clear. First, open your Google Sheet on your desktop and enter your names in a single column. I recommend using column A to match the formula you'll type in a moment. Put one name per row and try to keep the list continuous without any blank rows in between. Also, make sure the column contains only the names you want to choose from. If you normally use a header like Names, leave that out of the list because the picker treats everything in that column as a possible result. Duplicates will increase the chances of those names being picked, so include them only if that's intentional. Next, click an empty cell where you want the random name to appear. This keeps your results separate from the list and makes it easy to see. Now type the formula exactly like this. Index AA ran between 1, counta AA. Here's what it's doing behind the scenes. Index looks up a value by its position within a range. In this case, it will return whatever is in a specific row of column A. Ran between generates a random whole number. We ask it to pick a number between 1 and the total count of names. Counta AA tells Sheets how many non-empty cells are in column A, so ran between picks a valid position within your list. Put together, the formula selects a random row number and then returns the name from that row. Press Enter, and you'll see a randomly selected name appear in the cell. That's it. The picker is live. Because this uses a random function, the result can change whenever the sheet recalculates, such as when you edit something in the spreadsheet. That's useful if you want another pick. Just make a small edit anywhere or re-enter the formula to refresh. If you prefer to keep a specific result visible for a while, avoid making changes that would trigger recalculation. A couple of quick reminders as you use it. Keep your names in one uninterrupted column, avoid blank rows in the list, and remove any labels from that column so they aren't accidentally selected. With that, you've got a clean, dependable random name picker ready to go.